Hi, I'm going to show you what we're having the 4th of July. And it's beef chuck riblets. And this is almost 3 pounds of these riblets. And I got them laid out. Now I know that the 4th is a big barbecue day. And if you choose to do these out on the grill in the heat, you go ahead. I'm going to do mine in my pressure cooker and in my oven. So, I've got butt rub. And I'm going to sprinkle it on my riblets. I turned them over. And I've sprinkled it on both sides. Now, the barbecue sauce will come later. I got my pressure cooker, and I have a rack down in it, and a cup of water. You can use beef broth or any type of broth if you prefer. I'm putting these in. I'm going to put the top on. And I'm going to put this on for 25 minutes on high. I'll bring you back when they're done. We're back. And I let these natural release. It took a good 30 minutes. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on them. Just use your favorite kind. Let's see. They shrunk quite a bit. But it's still enough for Sam and I. And turn them over. Now I'm going to put these under the broiler for about 7 minutes per side. And then I'll bring you back and let Sammy taste one of them. Alright guys, I pressured this 25 minutes and then I put barbecue sauce on it and put it in the broiler for about 5 minutes aside. And you can see it shrunk. But Sam's gonna taste it.
Just how it tastes is what matters.
Tell me if it's tender.
Ooh, it's tender. Yes, it is. I can tell the way it cut.
No, there's no salt or pepper on it.
Well, I got them. Good enough. Yeah, it's good. It's real good, Linda. Real tender. A lot of flavor. Tastes like you did it on the grill. Ooh, that's tender. Much more tender than it would have been on the grill.
All right, y'all. This is what we're having the 4th. You want to go outside in the heat and do it on the grill, you go ahead if you're young. But I did mine in the pressure cooker. 25 minutes. And then in the broiler, 5 minutes aside. Thank you for coming in today. Like and subscribe. It only takes a minute. Until next time, you all take care and God bless every one of you.